Welcome to Lingua Latina Tutorials with Mr. K. This is Chapter 43, Lesson 4. We're starting on line 231 here. Follow along. Ubi illuxit paratis omnibus ut solet, vocari ad contionem utrumque exercitum iubet. Albani ut regem Romanum contionantem audirent, proximi constitere. Eos circumsistit armata Romana legio. Tum ita tullus orditur. Romani, si umquam ullo in bello fuit quod primum disti mortalibus gratias agretis, dende vestra ipsorum virtuti hesternum id proelium fuit. Dimicatum est enim non magis cum hostibus quae dimicatio maior atque periculosior est, cum proditione ac perfidia sociorum. So read through that section aloud in Latin and come back and let's translate. Ubi illuxit, when it grew light, so at dawn, when the sun began to shine, with everybody prepared as was customary, he orders that both armies, utrumque exercitum, both armies be called vocari ad contionem, to an assembly. A contio is just a group, an assembly, a group gathered to listen. Albani, the Albans, so that they could hear the Roman king speaking in an assembly, they wanted to hear how eloquent he was, stood nearby, and constitere, era ending is short for erunt. So they constituerunt, they stood nearby, proximi, and that's just near. Who else stood nearby? Romana legio, a Roman legion, armed, encircled them. Circumsistit. Then, thus, Tullus orditur. Ordior, the deponent verb, means to begin to speak. So he began to speak, and he says, Romani, Romans, if ever in any war there was the first reason for which, here, fuit quod primum, a reason for which you first were giving thanks, gratias ageretis, to the immortal gods, and then for which you were giving thanks for your own strength, vestra ipsorum virtuti, that battle, id proelium fuit hesterum, was yesterday's battle. Dimicatum est, it was fought, from dimicare, this is just our perfect passive, dimicare, it was fought, not more with enemies, cum hostibus quam, so magis quam, not more than, and then this is just parenthetical, a battle which is greater and more dangerous, so it was fought not more with enemies than, which is a greater battle and more dangerous, it was fought with proditione, with betrayal, and with the perfidia, the treachery or the lying, sociorum, of our allies. So here in the margin, it tells you that non magis quam, not more than, is just saying not so much as, non tam quam. And esternus is a word that just comes from heri, heri factus, done yesterday. So yesterday's is just an adjective form of that. Excuse me. Okay, so go ahead and read through the rest of this section, and I'll meet you over in the exercises.